Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are going to study about distributive pronouns. What are distributive pronouns? Pronouns, used in place of nouns. Used in place of nouns. Now, distributive pronouns. Distribute, to give. Distributing among the students. It means dividing among the students. Once again, I'm saying distributive pronouns are the pronouns when we talk about persons or things individually, one by one about them. When we talk, we call them distributive pronouns. Okay, so there is another simple definition that I've written over here. They are used to talk about persons and things. They are used to talk about persons and things. Why? Because they are pronouns, okay? This much you have to keep in mind. Distributive pronouns, they are talking about persons and things, okay? So they are used to talk about persons and things one by one, okay? They are singulars, they are singular pronouns and followed by the singular verbs. Because they are singular, they are talking about one by one, or they are talking about individual things. So obviously they are singular. They are singular and they are followed by the singular verbs. For example, either. Now, either, okay, we will use them now inside our sentence also. Either, neither, both, each, any, one, and none. These are the distributive pronouns. Now see, for example, either, it is also about talking about two persons. It's talking about two persons. Now either, it means from to one of them. Neither means from to none of them. And both, both means from to both of them. That is the usages of them. Okay, let's use them inside our sentence now. I called either of the students. I called either of the students. Now neither is there. Neither of them came to party. Neither of them came to the party. Okay, now both, also same. Both of the students came to the party. Both of the students came to the party. Okay, now here one thing else you have to keep in mind, that neither, both, or either, after them we should not use any noun. For example, neither, like I say either student. For example, if I say either student should come. Now if I should use either after either we should use noun, then it is not distributive pronoun. It is distributive adjective. Okay, then it will be distributive adjective. For example, both students came to home. Now both, after both, if we use noun, then it will not work as a pronoun. It is modifying now the noun, which is called adjective. So which is called distributive adjective. This thing you have to keep in mind, that this pronoun should work as one element of the sentence, as one part of the sentence. It should work. After them directly we should not use any noun. Okay, next examples are there. For example, about each is there, like each of them, okay, each of them has pen and paper. Now see, each, sorry, it should come capital. Okay, each of them has. Now here I cannot use have. If I should use have, then it will be wrong. Each is singular pronoun, so we have to use singular words. Each of them has pen and paper. Okay, same thing is there. For example, any of them should start writing. Now see, any of them should start writing. Like for example, one is there, okay, one of them completed the work. One of them completed their work. Now this one is talking from them. One, it means we're talking one by one, individually we are talking. Okay, none of them, also we are talking none of them. Okay, so none of them are correct. Now see, none is talking from them, none, it means individually we are talking. So these are called distributive pronouns. So distributive pronouns are the pronouns which are used for persons and things individually when we talk about them rather than collectively. We call them distributive pronouns. Do not mix them with distributive adjectives. Okay, we should not use directly after them noun. If they are after them we use noun, then it becomes distributive adjective. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something.